Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's tutorial is about how to add a web part in SharePoint. So for this, at first I have to click on this settings option. There is an option which is edit page, and I have to click on this. When I'm clicking on this edit page option, there is lots of properties and options. It's open. You can see that I can choose whatever I want. This time I'm just choosing this. I'm going to choose this insert option, and here is option. You can see that parts. I'm going to click this, and there is two option. One is name app part, and second one is the web part. I have to add web part right now, so I'm clicking on this web part option. And web part is actually include the app part, but also include all of the built-in part. Even more, you can put sets of web part in SharePoint. I would like to choose that media content from here. Because media content and content editor is very easy to use, and it is very frequently used, so I'm choosing this. I need to click here in this content editor, and I have to click where I can put this web part. So I would like to drop that, and I would like to drop that web part here just above this content editor. So I'm clicking here, and I have to click on this option, that is add. So you can see now that web part is added here. Here you can see that is content editor 4 is added here. So if I want to edit this web part, then I have to click on this button, just right to the checkbox. So here is the option, that is edit web part. I'm clicking on this. So I'm clicking on this edit content editor. So when I do this, I will have access all of the properties. So here in this blank box, you can add a link of any text file. Suppose in your document library you have some text file which is saved, so you can add their link here. From this test link you can test that link, it's same as that one or not. So there is lots of option, appearance, layout, advanced. In appearance option, I can change the title part here, and here you can see that there is option title. So still here there is a title, that is content editor, which I want to remove. So for this I have to click on this title, and I'm removing this. And I would like to add some title, like suppose I'm giving library. Library explanation. Here I'm giving this library explanation, and if I want to add something, I'm just click on here, and I can add whatever I want to display. Suppose I'm adding here that I'm adding here something, click does document link in the quick launch. You can add whatever you want to display in this content editor. So I want to display this, so I'm just writing that one. And there you can change some properties from here. I have given the title from this appearance option, and you can change lots of things from here. If there is a Chrome type, you can see there is a default option. There is lots of another option, title and border, title only, border only. If we click on this title option, title only, then only title is visible. And if you click on this border only, then only border portion is visible, which is I have written here something in this portion. This portion is only visible. So in this it's a default is always that it is visible both of this title as well as the border. So I'm clicking on this, the default option, no need to change it. And here in the layout option there is lots of properties which you can want. If you want to change this, you can change from here. And there is option which is advanced also, and you can change lots of things from here also. I am not changing anything because I don't need to change anything, because I just want a simple content editor. So I have written whatever I want to display. So I have done my editing portion. So for this I have to click on this apply or OK. I'm just clicking on this OK button. And in our page you can see the content. So this is the easy method to add a web part in your SharePoint. So if you find this video helpful, then please click on the like button and subscribe our channel, and please press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you.